Hello everyone. Today I will evaluate cube root of 24 correct up to 4 decimal places by Newton's iteration method directly. Let us find the problem. The problem is evaluate cube root of 24 correct up to 4 decimal places by Newton's iteration method directly. Now the solution is let x is equal to cube root of 24. Let x is equal to cube root of 24, which can be written as 24 to the power of 1 by 3. So taking cube of both sides, we get x cube minus 24 is equal to 0. Let fx is equal to x cube minus 24, and taking derivative with respect to x, f dash x is equal to 3x square. Newton's Raphson formula is Newton-Raphson formula is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus fxn divided by f dash xn. Now fxn, in place of x we take xn. Now fxn is equal to xn cube minus 24, and f dash xn is equal to 3xn square. Okay, so that xn plus 1 is equal to, xn plus 1 is equal to, xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus xn cube minus 24 divided by 3xn square. So this is equal to, before we take x0, we have to find negative and positive values. So for x is equal to 0, now we have to take, find negative and positive values for x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, it is. Therefore, f0 is equal to, for x is equal to 0, f0 is equal to 0 minus 24 is equal to minus 24, that is negative. f1 is equal to 1 cube minus 24 is equal to minus 23, that is negative. f2 is equal to 2 cube minus 24 is equal to minus 23, that is negative. Now f3 is equal to 3 cube minus 24 is equal to 27 minus 24. f2 is equal to 2 cube minus 24, that is 8 minus 24 is equal to minus 16. So this is minus 16. 8 minus 24. 8 minus 24, that is equal to minus 16 negative. So a 3 cube minus 27 minus 24 is equal to 3, that is positive. That is positive. So the negative value f2 is negative and f3 is positive. Therefore, since f2 is equal to minus 16 is negative and f3 is equal to 3 positive, therefore the root lies between 2 and 3. So we take x0 is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2, that is 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. Now x0 is equal to 2.5. So the first approximation to the root is x1 is equal to, therefore first approximation to the root is x1. x1 is equal to first approximation to the root is x1 is equal to x0 minus f x0 divided by f dash x0. So this is equal to x0 minus x0 cube minus 24 divided by 3 x0 square. Now this is equal to x0 2.5 minus 2.5 whole cube minus 24 divided by 3 into 2.5 whole square. So this is equal to 2.5 minus 15.625 minus 24 divided by 18.75. So this is equal to 2.5 plus 0.44666. Now this is equal to 2.94666. Then second approximation to the root is x2 is equal to x1 minus x1 cube minus 24 divided by 3x1 square. So this is equal to 2.94666 minus 2.94666 whole cube minus 24 divided by 3 into 2.94666 whole square. Now this is equal to this is equal to 2.94666 minus 1.58524 divided by 26.04841. So this is equal to 2.94666 minus 0.060858. So this is equal to 2.88580. Then third approximation to the root is x3 is equal to x2 minus x2 cube minus 24 divided by 3x2 square. So this is equal to 2.88580 minus 2.88580 whole cube minus 24 divided by 3 into 2.88580 whole square. So this is equal to 2.88580 minus 0.032485 divided by 24.9835249. So this is equal to 2.88 580 minus 0.00130. So this is equal to 2.8845. Then fourth approximation to the root is, so the desired root is obtained if two consecutive roots are equal. That is, if x3 is equal to x4, then we get the root. Otherwise, we continue the iteration process. So x4 is equal to x3 minus x3 cube minus 24 divided by 3x3 square. So substituting the value of x3, we get x3. So x4 is equal to this is equal to 2.8845 minus 2.8845 whole cube minus 24 divided by 3 into 2.8845 whole square. So this is equal to 2.8845 minus 0.00002 divided by 24.96102. So this is equal to 2.8845 minus 0.00008. So this is equal to 2.8845. So see here, x3 is equal to 2.8845 and also x4 is equal to 2.8845. Since x3 is equal to x4, which is equal to 2.8845 up to 4 decimal places, we have cube root of 24 is equal to 2.8845 as x is equal to 3, x is equal to cube root of 24 at first. This is our desired answer. So thank you for watching this video.